Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover users and how to follow them on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that you can see this discover people section. So tap on it and slide to the right side in order to check out all of the people that are recommended to you. So tap on a relevant account that you are interested in. Here you can see their posts, and if you would like to, you can follow them by tapping on the follow button, which is a purple icon on the left side. Tap on it, and as you can see, you are now following them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.